Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Under this playlist, we will only able to see Power BI related updates. On December 29, Microsoft has introduced one more latest important feature, which name is Optimize. So let's go to the Microsoft reference page and we will study some theory about this feature. So here we can see that guys, direct query optimization scenario with the optimize ribbon. That means when you are dealing with large data set with direct query, then this feature is really useful. And here you can see guys, we can control over pause visual, refresh visual and optimization preset. And here are some example guys. You can see here. And now let's go to the Power BI desktop to understand this feature. And if you guys are not able to seeing this option here, so you simply need to go here in file section. And you need to click on options and setting and go here in options. And under options guys, you need to go here in preview features. Under preview features, you will able to see this optimize ribbon and you need to check this small checkbox. Once you click it, then this option will come here. And now let's go to our report. So this is the report guys, which I have created here. And let's suppose guys, this data came from the direct query. And we have created that report on the basis of direct query. And now we will understand about these three features, which is pause visual, refresh visual, and optimization preset. So firstly, I will talk about this pause visual. So please keep in mind guys, whenever we are trying to deal with large data sets through direct query, then only these options are useful. So if you want to store that data in Power BI desktop app for one particular visual, then Microsoft Power BI desktop app sends query to the database and then data get back over. So in such kind of cases, it will be really challenging guys because of huge amount of data. And once you refresh your visuals, so it will take lot of time. So let me see you the example guys. Let's go to the Microsoft reference page. And if you see the screenshot of performance analyzer here, so here is the screenshot guys of performance analyzer. And here we can clearly see that direct query takes lot of time to refresh the visual. So to remove this hurdle, optimization ribbon is really helpful. So go to the Power BI desktop and understand this pause visual with practical. So I will go here in optimize and under optimize option, you can see the pause visual. So let me click on this pause visual first. And once I click it, you can see two more buttons are here, refresh and resume visual queries. And now let me add one category here in this particular visual. Let's suppose I will enter country here. So if I drag and drop here, so you can see guys, nothing has changed and only one refresh button is also here. If I increase the size of this visual, so you can see guys, visual has in pending changes. That means that is in pending state, but it is not reflecting anything here. So what we need to do to refresh this visual? So we have three options guys to refresh this particular visual. You can see here, refresh visual, and we have two more options are here. So you can click any of them. So I will click this here, refresh visual. So once I click it guys, then you can see our graph has changed. And now it is clearly mentioned here, visual are paused. Some edits won't be applied until you refresh. So I hope guys, now you have understanding about paused visual and refresh visual. And now let's talk about this optimization preset. So before that, let me remove this category from here and close this. And if I click here on optimization preset, so here we can see four options guys, query reduction, interactivity, customize and learn more. So if you click here on learn more, so this page will directly take you to the Microsoft reference page to give you more detail about this optimization preset. So let me close this page. So let's first talk about this query reduction. So guys, query reduction is turn off cross highlighting and cross filtering and add apply button on slicer. It is really useful in direct query connection. So if I click here on query reduction, so here you can see guys, This preset turn off cross highlighting and cross filtering. And we have added an apply button to the slicer and to the filter pane so you can apply changes when you are ready. Now let me click on this got it button. And here we can see guys, we have two slicer here in our report. And both the slicer you can see apply button are appear here. So if I click here in any value in slicer, let's see what happened. So let's see, I have checked this cake. But you can see guys, nothing has changed in our report. So unless we click here on apply button, here no value will filter. And now I will click on this apply button. Then you can see guys, visuals are filtering. So in this way guys, we can use this query reduction feature. Unless you click this apply button, nothing will gonna change. And now let's understand about this interactivity mode. So it is just reverse to the query reduction. And once you select this interactivity mode, then it will allow you to cross highlighting and cross filtering and real-time changes to the slicer to the filter. And you can also read the same definition guys. It allows cross highlighting and cross filtering and real-time changes to the slicers and filters. And now let me click on got it. And let me uncheck this. Earlier guys, you had to press apply button here to see the changes in our visual or in our report. But here guys, you don't need to click any apply button to get filter. Let's suppose this time I want to filter with USA. So here we can see guys, our all report will filter with USA. So in this way guys, we can use this interactivity mode in optimization preset. And now we will study last feature of our class, which is customize. So before talk about this customize option, I would like to tell you guys, I have created one free Telegram channel for job seekers, where I will keep update recent job openings of Power BI. And you guys can see here, multiple openings are already here. And those who wanna learn Power BI from scratch, so here is the channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And this is the updated playlist guys, and this is the DAX functions playlist, where I will upload each and every DAX function of Power BI. So you guys can easily learn Power BI from scratch through this channel. And you guys can also share this channel with your friends and colleagues. And guys, I am also providing paid training sessions and interview preparation. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box, so you guys can check it there. And now move back to the last feature of our today's video, which is customize. So let me click on this customize button. So with the help of this setting guys, you can change the customize setting, like add and apply button to each slicer to apply changes when you are ready. You can change the filter setting as well as slicer setting. I hope guys now you have enjoyed the session. And these kind of content, please stay connected with us. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. And also press bell icon guys, else you will not aware about the latest update of Power BI. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep follow this channel, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.